Hello guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. Today I unboxing DJi Osmo mobile gimbal OM4 model number. I bring this from Amazon.sa company, the website online shopping market. So first I open this all the plastic, and you can see guys inside the box is DJi OM4. So let's open this. And guys, you can see the video in screen that's I recorded by this device. And inside the box what you have, you have a belt for the gimbal and a DJi Osmo pocket bag, and inside you can see a mount for the mobile and some books, catalogs, and a sticker for the mobile phone. And this is ring, and here is the mount for gimbal, type C charging socket cable, and that is the sticker for put the ring in mobile phone. And this is free size mount for phone, it's magnet. And finally here is the gimbal. Wow, looks so beautiful. This is battery time is 12 hours working, and also have type C charging socket, power bank, you can charge your phone also. So guys, you have to download the apps to your phone to use this device. You can use any phone. This mount you can connect to your Samsung phone, Huawei, and any other brands iPhone, any size phone, because this is a free size. It's 12 Pro Max also working with this device. Okay guys, now you go to Play Store and you can download the apps DJi Memo. Open the apps and connect. Okay guys, see it's connecting. Agree and next and login. So here is the tutorial how to log in. Register. You have to registration first. Put the email address, and here is the put the number. You can see in the screen the code, and type the password, retype password. After registered, okay, put the password and login. After login, your device will be download the new software. Press next. Here is the tutorial for using this device. Done, and you can see download the firmware version. It's downloading now. done 95%. It is resetting. Restart device. You have to make balance your phone first. Allow, connect, and finally it is done. It's ready to use. So guys, you can make a smoothly video with this device. It's very nice, and I check it's working perfectly. It's very smoothly moving. I like this very much. So you can take the picture, you can record video, you can make others design also. There have some many function. All you can control by your hand, and you can make it sleeping mode and press double tap in backside, it will be start again. This is the shutdown button, and also the mode is 2-in-1, and this for movement, left, right, up, down. And this is the zooming button, zoom in, zoom out. This is the recording button. You can see it's moving back control.
Where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies, and petals happen.